Dear kids, hope you all are doing great. So, on the sequence of our English classes, today I have promised that yes, we will have classes on vowel and consonant. Till now, we have tried finding out the correct vowels or filling the gaps with correct vowel or the missing vowels. Okay, like that. So I have I decided that now we should move forward with the consonant also. So many items were being given on vowel. So what's wrong with consonant? So I thought that it would be wise to do something with consonant. As we know the difference between vowels and consonant, so I think it would be much easier for us. Okay, whatever exercises that we are going to do with our consonant, it would be really a great fun. Okay, so before starting the class, let me tell you one thing, that these things are not for exam. I know that you can make it out very well. So I have never I never too much tensed. I am never too much tensed about your exam. I know that whatever items will be given, you can surely make it out very well and very beautifully. Okay, so here I have chosen the class on concerning consonant. Okay, basically what are the consonants? Except A, E, I, O, U, these five vowels, rest of the letters are marked as consonant, like B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L, etc. etc. A, E, I, O, U, these are not the consonants except these vowels. A, E, I, O, U, these are vowels. So except the vowels, the rest of the letters are consonant as consonant. And we also know that consonant can never make a word or an independent sentence without vowels. So if you are making any word, vowel is also needed. So it is really very easy to find or to pick the consonant out from a specific word or a sentence. Okay, so our today's lesson is designed on consonant, and I have entitled this class as tick the correct consonant. That means, what do you mean by, whatever the letter is meant to be a consonant, you need to just put a tick mark on the consonant. Okay baby, so till now we have done a lot of exercises on vowels. So now today we will go through consonant also. So have your pencil and exercise book with you so that you can practice with miss. Okay, so let us see that what are the few words are given on the board, and can we really find the correct consonant out? Can we really put the tick mark on the correct consonant? Okay, so let us go through the board. Here see, the lesson is tick the consonant. That means put a tick mark on the consonant. Okay, so very first word is G-O-A-T. The very first word is G-O-A-T. It is goat. So goat means it's an animal. We know that that's four-footed animal. So here what's the consonant? So A, E, I, O, U, these are the vowel. Except A, E, I, O, U, I can observe, or I can consider every letter as consonant. Okay, so A and O, these are the vowel. Should I tick here? No, I just told that tick the consonant, not vowel. These are the vowels, so I can't tick vowels. Okay, I should tick G, as it is not in A, E, I, O, U. It's not a vowel. Is it a vowel? No, it's a consonant. So I put the tick mark on the G. Then T. Okay, please you also do this exercise so that you don't need to invest your much time in doing such exercises. Now coming to the number 2. Okay, one trick is that please have a look on the each and every single word. Okay, from the letters or from this alphabet you can easily find the correct consonant out. If you are not paying your attention to the words, then you can never find the correct consonant. Okay, so to finding out the correct consonant or to recognize the correct consonant, what should we do? We should go through each and every single word first. Okay, here F-E-E-T. Okay, feet. It means feet. So here feet is the basically a plural number of foot. So feet, here from feet what can we see? Here E and E. E is a vowel, but here we are working with consonant. So should I put any tick mark on E? Should I put any of the tick mark on E? No, I should put the tick mark only on the consonant. Okay, so is F a consonant? Can you remember it? Yes, so F is a consonant, so I have to put the tick mark. Is T a consonant? Of course, T is also a consonant, so I need to put a tick mark on T. Then R-A-I-N, it's rain. R-A-I-N, rain. See, we have a poem on the title is Rain, Rain. So rain, rain, go away, come again another day. So here see rain. So rain, what are the vowels here? A and I. So should I put the tick mark on vowels? No, I can't. Why I can't? Cause I have already told that you should tick the consonant. So you are being commanded as to tick the consonant. So you are working only with the consonant here. So what's the consonant? What are the consonants here? R is a consonant. So I am putting a tick mark on which letter? On A or R? R or A? Think, train your brain. Is it R or A that I should put the tick mark on? It's of course R. Okay, so R is a consonant. So then A is a consonant? No. I is a consonant? No. What's the consonant? N is a consonant. So I put the tick mark on what? On N. Now coming to the number 4. In number 4, we can say G-O, a very short and tiny words. It's go. Go means to leave somewhere. Okay. So from go, what's the consonant here? O is a consonant? No. A, E, I, O, U. It's in the vowel list. So O is not a consonant. What is the consonant left? The left one. That means the rest of the one, it is G. So G is a consonant. So I have put a tick mark on what? On G. Am I right, babies? Do you think that yes, G is our consonant? Do you really think so? Can you sense it is the consonant here? Yes, it is the consonant here, undoubtedly. Now moving forward, now coming to the number 5, that is the next one. So next one is here, the letters are F-O-X. F-O-X. Can you see on the board? F-O-X. Please write the words down and please practice the words with me. So F-O-X, it makes fox. Fox is also an animal and it's the most cunning animal. Okay. So F-O-X. From here, what are the consonants? What's the vowel here first? It is O. So should I put tick mark? No. I am working with what? I am working with consonants. So I have to tick the consonant only. So, so to say, what's the consonant or what are the consonants here? Can you remember or can you sense? F? Yes, F is a consonant. So I have put a tick mark. Then O is a consonant? No, O is a vowel. So it's cross. Okay. So okay, you don't need to put the cross under the vowel. Seeing the tick mark on the consonant, we can easily, logically, we can know that yes, O is not a consonant. Okay. So X is a consonant. Is it a consonant? Do you think so? Yes, it's a consonant, babies. Do you really think so? X, A, E, I, O, U. Is there any X in vowel list? Have you ever seen X as vowels? No, we have never seen. In fact, we never done anything related vowel and there's a X. Okay, I have never tried something with X that is concerned as vowel. So here actually X can never be a vowel. Okay. So I should put here a tick mark as X is a consonant. Isn't it? Okay. Now number 6 is H-O-M-E. What does it mean? It's home. Home means shelter. Home means house. Okay. So from H-O-M-E, what are the consonant? Is H vowel or consonant? Of course, it is a consonant. So on the consonant, I should put a tick mark. So O is a vowel or consonant? It's a vowel. So I can't put any tick mark here. E is a vowel or consonant? It's also a vowel. But we are working with what? We are working with only the consonant. So should I put the tick mark on E? Would it be the justified? Is it right? Putting the tick mark on E? No, I can never put the tick mark on E, as E is a vowel. E is not our what? E is not our consonant. Only consonant E should be marked as tick mark. So here H-O-M-E, in these 4 letters, the consonants are H and M. Okay. Now moving forward, number 7, O-P-E-N. That is open. Open means not closed. Okay. So from here we can sense what are the consonants. O is a E, O, I, O, U. Those are the vowels. So O is a vowel, but P is a consonant. E is a vowel, but N is a consonant. So I have put the tick mark on P and N. Now number 8. Okay, babies? It is G-O-O-D. It is good. Good means well. So from good we can see O-O. Are this consonant or vowel? These are the actually vowels, because O is a vowel. So these 2 O's are consonant. So I need to take G and D. G is a consonant. D is also a consonant. Now number 9, K-I-T-E. What's the consonant? I or E? No, these are the vowels. So K and T. P-A-G-E. A and E? These are vowels or consonant? Vowels. So I should tick mark P and G. What are the consonants here? E? No. R and D. What are the consonants? A? No, A is a vowel. So I should put the tick mark on only the consonants. That means M and T. So here see G, T, F, T, R, N, G, then X, then H and M, then P and N, then GD, then KT, then PG, then RD, and the last M and T. These are the consonants. So I hope in this way you can also find the correct consonants out. And remember, if you are being asked to tick the tick mark, just tick the correct consonant. So you have to put a tick mark on the correct consonant. So except A, E, I, O, U, these all are consonants. Okay, so whenever you are seeing something like consonant, please put the tick mark for your bracket practice. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope we enjoyed the class. We will meet very soon on the next class. Till then, stay well and take care.